Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to test the anytime backup and front camera kit. Also I'm gonna show you some things to be considered for the camera setup and its installation. I will show you in my next video how to install this kit in a 2018 Toyota Tundra.
Okay, this is what I did to test the wiring. So basically what I have in this section is the wiring, the relay, the switch. Here I have the front camera and the extensions, and I added a second camera that I had on spare to simulate a view. So that's gonna be the view that this camera will be showing during the testing, and this is gonna be the view that the front camera that will be showing during the test. So here I have a projector to see the image from each camera, and here I have the switch. It's already connected. As I mentioned before, my harness didn't came with the gray and blue wires, so for this for testing purposes I just connected to the power source, the blue one, and the gray one to the ground connection here. So I don't need this for this testing because the projector here is doing the radio function to display the image. Here I have a power supply, 12 volts power supply that I'm using to power up everything. Here is the fuse that I mentioned that it didn't came with the kit, but I added in case that something happened. The fuse will be burned and not the radio. And this is where the main power source connections. And as you can see here, I'm getting the 12 volts as the main power source, and to power all the cables that need 12 volts, as I mentioned in my previous video. And the ground cable is came from this, and also using this for the rear camera to power up correctly. So basically here, if I switch, this is the switch. If I switch on to the front position, I should be able to see the front view of the camera there, which is the camera that came with the kit. That is that one. And if I switch to the rear position, then I see the rear view, which is this one. So basically everything is working as expected. If I move the switch to the middle position, both cameras will be turned off. So basically it is working as advertised. I think it's a very nice kit. Now I am ready to proceed and install on my 2018 Tundra. Okay, as I mentioned before, the rear camera can be configured to mirror the image by cutting the green cable. To remove the lines, if you cut the white cable. So I'm gonna cut both to see what happened. So what you see on screen is the rear camera using this image displaying in my projector there. So if I cut the green cable, the image should be mirrored vertically. So let's see what happened. I'm gonna cut first the green cable. What I'm gonna do here is to cut the green cable first. Okay, let me cut it to see what happened. Alright, so put it back. So now the image was mirrored as described in the wiring configuration label here. So I'm gonna cut now the white cable to remove the lines. it basically works as expected. The white cable will remove the lines, and the green cable is going to mirror the image vertically. Okay, there is something important that we need to take in consideration in terms of the rear camera. The only way this can be installed is this way. As you can see, let me show you. If we put it that way, you're gonna see the image as expected. But if for some reason you think that instead of this way you install it this way, that won't work, because the image will be upside down. So that's very important. So remember, the correct way to install is this way. I'm ready now to proceed and install it into my 2019 Tundra.